Okay, Anthony, so I'm going to teach you how to wrap a present for today, okay? Have you ever wrapped a present?
No.
Okay, well, since it's your first time wrapping a present, I've pre-cut the paper so that it's easier for you just to focus on the folding instead of having to cut and be dealing with excess paper and all that stuff. So this is, your learning stage is going to be cognitive because you're going to be focusing on how to fold the paper and focusing on how you manipulate the paper so that the folds look presentable and it looks like you wrapped a present. This is a closed environment, so we're using the table. It's ideal to use a flat surface so that your paper is not all over the place, and your motor control is going to be a closed loop, which means that you can pause if you need to look at how I'm going to demonstrate. You can redo it, or you can readjust if you need to. So I'm going to be demonstrating, and you can follow along, or you can pause and see how I do it. I'm first going to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to guide you to fold your paper, okay?
Okay.
So the first one is that you're going to fold the paper in half to the middle of the box. And you're going to use one tape to tape the middle of it so that it holds it down.
Okay.
I'll hand you the tape so that your fingers doesn't misplace the paper. And we're also going to be using fractionalization, which means that I'm going to be breaking down each fold so that you can focus on your technique and perfect that fold. So we're going to do the same thing with the other side. So the first step is to just fold it in half into the middle and tape it down.
Like this?
Yes. And when you're wrapping presents, it's really similar to folding clothes or folding like a paper airplane. You know how you gotta focus on the creases and make sure it's symmetric and make sure that you apply pressure to certain areas so that it looks nice. It's really the same thing, especially on this part. We're gonna fold it up, and it's okay if the bottom gets wrinkled. It doesn't matter, you're gonna fold it anyways, so it's not important. So this part, it can be the tricky part. So I'm gonna show you first, and then I'll guide you through it when you do it by yourself, okay? So I'll do it first and just watch how I do it. So you're gonna fold the middle down, and you're gonna wanna make a triangle with the two front flaps. So you're gonna fold this, and once they're folded, they're looking like triangles. You're gonna fold the flap that's closest to you first down. You're gonna get a piece of tape. You're gonna tape that down so that it's secure. Then you're gonna get the other one, and you're gonna fold it down, get a piece of tape, and tape it down. Okay? So let me see you. So you're gonna fold it down. You're gonna crease these edges. There you go, like a triangle. And you're gonna do the same thing with the other side. There you go. And now you're gonna put the side closest to you down first. Not this side. There you go. And there you piece of tape. And then you're gonna fold the other side. Now you're gonna flip it to the other side and do the same thing. So now that you know how to do it, you can do it on your own without me having to guide you. Your triangle. So you remember want to focus on creasing your paper. Sorry,
Can I
don't
get a
do
piece
that.
of tape, please?
Sorry. And here's your last paper. There's tape.